everybody. Welcome to Maui Karen Ann. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't by just hitting subscribe and then the bell, and then every time I have a video, then you'll be notified. Also, make comments. Good, bad, I don't care. I need comments so I can improve myself. I wanted to show you again. This is the picture from my last video. I had sprayed it with varnish. It looked awful. So Cocktail Tony, if you haven't watched him, you need to watch him on YouTube. Cocktail Tony, he's my director, my husband here. He suggested that I put resin on it. So I did, and it looks so much better. 100% better. You can see where the green has come through all around and nothing is muddy, so it's just really a showstopper. I'm very happy with it. Today it's an experiment. I've been seeing women, young ladies, do all this on YouTube, and so I thought I'm going to try it too. So this is what we're going to do. This is, I think, an 18 by 20, something like that. I painted it black. Then I took a stencil, put the stencil on it, spray painted it, marked it off, did some more spray painting here and here. So now we're going to texture. I'm using the spackle paste by DAP. I'm using modeling paste by Master Touch. White Artist Loft. And, believe it or not, baking soda. Now I've watched so many of these, nobody gives the exact amount to use. So I have used like a half of this, and I don't know, maybe a third of the molding paste. And I have used maybe half box of baking soda. I sifted the baking soda in because it had lumps. So I don't know if, yeah, I don't know how much of that you've heard because I forgot to put my mic on. So everything's an experiment today. So anyway, this is the plan. I've mixed everything up. So it's like this consistency. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to put a little dab here and some here. Hopefully I've mixed enough. Then I purchased a roller. So I want to do the roller over here. I don't know if it's going to work. I did a test over here. I put some of my stuff over here on the side and just rolled the roller on it to see what it would do. So the reason I put baking soda in it is to give it more body. So hopefully that the design that I do get up, it's going to stay up and not melt away. You can also use baking soda instead of sand if you want a picture that has the look of sand. Whoops, I forgot my spreader. Okay. Like I said, this is all new to us. So, looks like whipped cream. Want to taste? Cool Whip. I don't know if I'm going to have enough. Woo! So, you know what we're calling this? We're calling this the Ted Lasso project because I've got Believe up here. I don't know if any of you have watched Ted Lasso. It's funny, very funny, makes you laugh, 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 laugh. Well, I think I've got more than enough, huh? They say you should have 1/4 of an inch. And I definitely have 1/4 of an inch. I don't know if you're supposed to use your hand.
Second, take your time. You know I'm yours if you remember that you're mine. And when everybody's telling me I have no time, I prove them wrong again. 'Cause yeah, I might be all that you get. Yeah, I guess this might well be it. But heaven knows I tried. No, my hands won't be tied down, and I will not lay them down, 'cause I can finally see the truth. So simple but so clear, accepting an ocean's depths were out of reach for me and you. If you're coming up for air, breathing in, you know I'll be there when you first begin. And when everybody's telling us we have no time, we'll prove them wrong again. 'Cause yeah, I might be all that you get. Yeah, I guess this might well be it. But heaven knows I tried. And heaven knows I tried.
Thank you for watching. This is my final painting. I hope you enjoyed it. I love it. I think it turned out perfect. Aloha.